Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. Today's video is another one of my PR unboxing videos. If watching a YouTuber open up products that they get for free from brands and PR agency isn't your thing, I totally get it. Go ahead and feel free to click out of this video and check out some of the various other videos that I have on my channel. But if you like watching these videos, then let's go ahead and get started because I do have a few things to get through. Amore Pacific has gifted me this treatment enzyme peel, and this is actually, I think, like one of the best-selling like skincare products at Sephora. It's certainly one that I've heard of many times. It says here it is water-activated botanical enzyme treatment to effectively eliminate excess surface cells and toxins responsible for irregularities in texture and tone, and optimize penetration of all skincare products which follow. Papain is a plant-based enzyme, is micro-encapsulated and activated upon contact with water to thoroughly dissolve impurities and cellular buildup without harsh AHAs and abrasives found in more traditional formulations. I have actually tried this before. I had like a sample small version of it, and I really did like the way that it works. So you mix this in, you activate it with a little bit of water, and you rub it in, and it's sort of just like, it's supposed to like dissolve, like peel away of all the impurities that are on your skin. It did leave my face feeling very clean and soft, so I do like this, and I'm really excited to try the full version because that was a while ago that I tried it. This is the beautiful packaging. Really love it. Again, it's a gentle water-activated botanical exfoliator, thoroughly eliminates dry, dulling surface cells and toxins responsible for irregularities in texture and tone, enabling optimum penetration of regular skincare products. Ideal for all skin types. Use morning or evening as desired. You apply to thoroughly cleanse skin, so your skin has to be clean before you use this. Moisten face and hands, and then pour a powder into the palm, add water, work into a creamy lather, and then apply it. Massage for 30 to 45 seconds, and then you rinse thoroughly and continue with your regular skincare regimen. What I can do is, it smells lovely. I do not remember the scent being this good. Oh, that's really nice. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to try it one day on like Instagram, on my stories. So if you want to see me try this out, I will do it on my stories. I will link to my Instagram below. All of my social media is linked below, but I'll do this on Instagram so you can see how it works and what my skin looks like after I use it. Bastide has gifted me this Miel de Lavande body wash. If you're unfamiliar with Bastide, they are a French brand. Their products are artisanally made in France, which means that they produce their products in small batches. They're a natural brand. This one is a lavender and honey scented body wash. It's best for people with dry skin. It's winter time, so I definitely want to keep my skin as moisturized as possible. So I'm really excited to try this out. Again, it has scents of lavender and honey, and it's made with Provence olive oil, which is known as they call it liquid gold in the south of France. So obviously it has beautiful, lovely ingredients and components that make this perfect for keeping your skin moisturized. So I'm really excited to try this out. Bastide has actually given me a coupon code to share with you guys. I will link to it below and write it down below so that you guys can try out Bastide and their beautiful natural products from France. You can feel fancy while you take a shower, which is what I'm planning to do right after this video. So yes, you will get 10% off your order. Again, all that information will be in the description box below. Oh, that's so lovely. That's really nice. I love lavender. Lavender is one of my favorite scents. That's really nice smelling. The next box came from Karity, and I've been dying to try the palettes that they've sent me. I actually haven't been able to dig in. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section below if you want to do a full makeup tutorial eye look with the Karity products I received, because the palettes look amazing and they are cruelty free. And I just love that, and their products are super affordable. The palettes that I've seen are gorgeous and super affordable, so I love that. So here is a little card that says Palettes for Paws. As a 100% cruelty-free brand, we have a big soft spot in our hearts for animals. For every palette you buy, Karity will donate a meal to an animal in need. Again, love that. They're not just cruelty free, but they actually care about animals, and they're putting their money where their mouth is by donating to an animal cause. So I love that. So this, very cool. They've gifted me 2 brushes. I'm going to show them to you right now. This is the E31, which looks like a lovely blending brush. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Very good quality. Yeah, I like that. And then they've also offered me this one, which looks like it's an angled shadow brush. This is the E27, which looks like it's an angled shadow brush. This is really good. This shape brush is excellent to create that V shape. If you like the cat eye kind of look application, I love that kind of application. So this is perfect to get the edges of your outer V into that shape. So this is their Picante eyeshadow palette, which features 21 warm and vibrant eyeshadows. Picante, if you don't know, is Spanish for spicy, so you can assume what kind of shades you'll find in this. Let me open this up and show you what it looks like. Very nice packaging here. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Yeah, I need to dig into these. I really do. This is really beautiful warm tone shadows. You can see golds and copper, lovely shades of like yellow and brown. Really beautiful. So this top, like, this says summer to me. This really does. I just feel like the sun. I feel like the beach here. But then you also have these colors on the bottom, which are like purpley pink plum shadows, which I really love. This flamenco looks like a brick red. Oh, I want to dig into these. I want to just like start swatching. Again, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a full swatch video with this palette or any of the Karity palettes, because I mean, you guys know how I do them. I do swatches on my arms, but then I also can create a look in those videos, so let me know if you'd like to see that. This is beautiful, and the best part is that it retails for $19.99. I mean, it's a $20 palette, beautiful shadows, and you can feel good about your purchase because it's cruelty-free and they actually donate a meal to an animal in need. Love that. LAmade is a contemporary clothing company that is designed and manufactured in Los Angeles in downtown LA. So this is one of those made in America brands, and they have gifted me a long sleeve shirt, a long sleeve v-neck shirt, and so I'm really excited to try this out and support a made in America brand. That is one of the things that is important to me, that I really want to support and appreciate. So really excited to try this out. It's made of 100% cotton, and it says here, each garment was designed, cut, and sewn ethically in our family-owned factory in Los Angeles. So again, really love that. This is super soft, again, super, made with 100% cotton, so it's really nice quality v-neck, which, I mean, a staple in any person's wardrobe. Very nice. I think it's very important and good to shop and support companies that are made, designed, manufactured in the USA. So happy to try this out and happy to support. And like I said, this is 100% cotton. I'm looking at it and the quality is very good. I don't see any flaws on this. So yeah, very excited to try this out. I will be wearing this soon, so make sure that you are tuned into my Instagram so you can see it. Thanks, LAmade. And then last but not least, one of my favorite skincare brands, Derma E, has sent me another one of their boxes. So let's see what's included. This is the inside of that box. It says here, home is where your skincare stash is. Love that. Thankful for essentials. So this box includes Derma E Essentials Radiance Toner. This is a glycolic acid and rooibos tonic. Very cool. Again, I love Derma E, love the brand. I think their skincare is so good, and the price point is very, very good as well. And this is an ethical beauty brand. It is cruelty-free, GMO-free, gluten-free, soy-free, recyclable wind energy certificates. Radiance Beauty. This alcohol-free exfoliating toner helps to tone, tighten, and brighten for a soft, smooth, and luminous appearance. So that is the toner, and then this is the Derma E Essentials Rejuvenating Sage and Lavender Face Oil with jojoba and marula oils. Oh, very neat. Very cool. It says to apply 2 to 3 drops to the hand, then massage onto clean skin in the morning and evening. Very good, and I love lavender. Could not say that more in this video. Love lavender, so excited to try these out. Again, I love Derma E, and actually my next giveaway will be from Derma E. Will be with all Derma E products, so stay tuned for that video, which will come up very, very soon. If not, the very next video will be my Derma E giveaway, so stay tuned for that. All right, that was everything that I received in PR. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. As always, use that comment section below to ask any questions, make any requests, or just say hi. You guys know that I love to hear from you guys. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.